Hello, I'm Jesus Madrigal with Proofgeist, and in this video, I am going to show you a demo of our Apps on Demand service. Apps on Demand is a software stack that leverages the technology of HTML5 gateways and app streaming to allow users to connect to a full installation of the FileMaker Pro application and can provide users with an experience that rivals an on-prem server through their web browser. Access to Apps on Demand can be configured for form and OAuth authentication and can even be configured with two-factor authentication. Let's log into the gateway and show you what your team can expect when they log into the Apps on Demand service. Once authenticated, you will see a list of available apps to launch. The apps can be configured to open directly to the complete FileMaker Pro application, or it can be configured to open a particular database on launch of FileMaker Pro. Once the FileMaker solution has been opened, your team can operate with the full capabilities of FileMaker Pro through the browser, eliminating the need to download and configure the FileMaker Pro app locally for each team member. Supported by our data center backbone, network speeds can accommodate 10 gigabit per second data transfer rates between the FileMaker Pro client and server. When coupled with same data center deployments of FileMaker Server, Apps on Demand clients will experience LAN speeds to the FileMaker solution, as you can see with the layout, load times, and record searches and sorts. Within the gateway, your team members will have access to file transfer capabilities to upload files into and download files from the FileMaker solution. The files transferred to and from the Apps on Demand service are stored in the cloud and can be accessed by your team from wherever they connect. Apps on Demand allows the printing of documents directly from the remote FileMaker solution. The gateway prints the document to a PDF that you can print from your browser to your locally connected or network printers, eliminating the need for configuration of printer drivers on the server. Thank you for watching this demo on the Apps on Demand service provided by Proofgeist.